The questions is here for the UPSC previous year. Consider the following statements. The Constitution of India defines its basic structures in the term of secularism, federalism, fundamental rights, and democracy. Okay. Second option. The Constitution of India provides judicial review, a safeguard of the citizens' liberties, and to preserve the ideas on which the Constitution is based. Which of the statements is correct here? Okay. Options 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2 are none. Basically, Constitutions of India does not define the basic structure, and we will know the basic structures is a judicial's innovations innovated by the Supreme Court and 13 judges benches of the Supreme Court, and which is ruled on the 24th April 1973, and in the landmark of the Keshwanandan Bharatiya case and state of the Kerala. Supreme Court said that is something called the basic structures. Now it means that Parliament has a power to amend the constitutions using the Article 368 without altering the basic structures, without touching the basic structures, and saving the basis of the structures. But what is the basic structure that Supreme Court gets to the decide? Supreme Court said that the previously ruled of the law is the part of the basic structure, and independent of the judiciary is a part of basic structures, and primacy of the Chief Justice of India is a judicial appointments is a part of the basic structure, and parliamentary democracy is a part of the basic structures, and judicial review is also part of the basic structures. Secularism is a part of the basic structures, and federalism is a part of the basic structures, and fundamental rights related to the Article 21, related to the Article 32. These are the fundamental rights, Article 14, and these are part of the basic structure. Democracy also, but that does not constitutions and define the basic structure. No, it is left to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has the power to decide the basic structure and what constitutes the basic structure. Okay, the statement number 1 is incorrect here. State number 2 here. The constitutions of the India provides for a judicial and a review also, and the statement is incorrect. Again, this is a constitutions which is a lot of students get confused, including some of the teachers got wrongs, and if you just can take through the YouTube lectures analyzing the prelims 2022 papers, and they will be see a lots of teachers making mistakes here. And either uh, constitutions does not the provide for the judicial review directly. Okay, it explicitly. Okay, in fact a judicial review is not mentioned anywhere in the constitutions, but we can trace this concept of the judicial review by the looking at the Article 13 of the Indian Constitution, or the for that the matter the Article 32, or the for that matter Article 226 also. Article 13, for the example, let's explain it. Article 13 clause 1 says that if there is a law which has been in the operation prior to the commencement of the constitution, okay, and can this law that is regarding to which has been enforced prior to the commencement of the constitution, and can it be continue even after the enactment of the constitutions? Yes, if it is in the conformity of with the part 3 of the constitutions with the fundamental rights. If not, it will be declared valid. Okay, but who will be declared it's valid? Not the legislatures which has made a law, not the executive who has task in the implement of the law, but judiciary. So we have assumed this power, it is judiciary, that's judiciary has power review on it. Article 13 clause 2, the states shall have not enact the law here to the a breeze which have modified the fundamental rights. Okay, and if you do like that, the laws shall be declared valid. Okay, and the assumptions is that the judicial review which has the power to the review on the law in the cases it's breezes modify the fundamental rights. Okay, Article 32 says that in case of your fundamental rights are the violated, directly approaches the Supreme Court. Okay, and we can make a, we also violate their rights also. Fundamental rights are violated, you can approach the high court under the article 226 here, and the and high court, supreme courts will review on it. And actions of the executive, if they have violated your fundamental rights, okay. And so we constitution does not provide for judicial review. We can trace the concept of the judicial review by the looking that these three articles, okay. So which of the statements given about the are correct here? Option D is correct, none is the right answer, ठीक है. आप इसको देख लो भाई.